This is my province, Dalaget. Dalaget. We're here at Kasay Dalaget. Kaning lugar this place. So wide. Mo na yung among gitawag sa una before nga airport.
Huwag mo kayo, mabot tigil ka. Ano ang tatangke? Oo, dito ko na. Mabot kinatigo ka, tara. Sige.
Ako nanay.
Ako na
Kita si musik singoy. Welcome sa among kinabuhing probinsya. Nami diri karon sa Tuba, Dalaget. Ang hometown nila nanay. Diri sila nagdako. This is south from Cebu. Diri may usually maglaag kong fiesta.
Village child.
Day to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Blow the cake! The candle day.
Juma dili.
Sige na, oy! Oy, klaro!
Lablaw na.
Dito lang sa lawas. Okay.
Fire below here. And the result is torta. PM me when you want to order.
Mao din ni finished product. Delicacy diri sa Dalaget. Torta. That's my family. Love spending time with your family. So if namoy mga time diha, spend your time with your family. It's really amazing. Thank you guys for staying until the end. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. And see you on my next video.